Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we will have a look at what to do when your Apple Watch 9 doesn't react anymore. We have a few options we can try so that our Apple Watch hopefully works again afterwards. The first thing we can do is to press the button here, and we will press and hold until this appears, and then we can click on the button here, and now it says power off, and now we can turn it off. To get it back on again, we press and hold until the Apple logo appears, and then the watch will start again. Next thing we can do is we can press the crown and the button here until the Apple logo appears, and we will do that. That's a forced reboot. So when nothing works, that will probably work. So keep pressing until you see the Apple logo, let go, and then the watch starts again. And now hopefully your Apple Watch reacts again, and we want to go to our settings and then scroll down to general, and here we want to go to software update just to make sure that you're using the latest update. And if you have an update available, you want to go ahead and install it. That might fix some bugs in the background, and then hopefully you won't have any more issues with your Apple Watch 9. So that was some tips and tricks of what you can do if your Apple Watch 9 doesn't react anymore. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.